What's up, everybody? Today I want to do a really quick video from here. I want to make a video on a LeetCode problem. This one's very simple here. This is number 2235, and we're going to add two integers together. For this particular video, we're going to go through JavaScript, and the idea with this kind of problem here is that we have two numbers that were given as arguments, and we want to return the sum of these two numbers from here. The first example is 12 plus 5. We should get 17 back. The second example is negative 10 and 4, and we should get negative 6 back here. The only constraints that we're dealing with here are negative 100, or excuse me, the numbers between negative 100 and positive 100. So this won't really make a difference with JavaScript, but if you're dealing with a mid to low level programming language, that's something to keep in mind here, all right? So this is a pretty simple problem, as you can imagine from here. So if you're not familiar with JavaScript, if you're brand new to the programming language from here, this is our function that's going to run from here. And within this function, we're given two arguments. Of course, there's a few different ways to write functions in JavaScript. That's one of the things I had to learn when I was first learning JavaScript. Many other programming languages, you write a function one, or maybe if you're doing an asynchronous function, maybe a little bit differently, or a callback function. With JavaScript, there's a few different ways because of the evolution of the programming language. But anyways, I'm getting a little off topic from here. With this function, we're given two arguments here. You'll notice that this is a dynamically typed programming language, so we don't need to declare the type of these numbers from here. We just say that they're given as arguments, all right? Now, what we want to do is we want to add these two numbers together. And the code that I'm going to write here is between these two curly braces, of course, right? So we're going to return, because we want to return something back to whoever called this function, num1 plus num2, all right? And I'm going to go ahead and run this code here. And I'm sorry, num2. I was close there. I made a little mistake. I was like, wait a minute, something's up there. Cool, so we can see that it passed both test 1 and, excuse me, case 1 and case 2. So it looks like we're doing pretty good here. Let's go ahead and submit the solution. And boom, it looks like we did that properly from here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm going to be making more of these videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.